Access the LILYGO lib MicroPython repository. Open the T-Lora pager documentation to review usage notes. Locate and click the download link for Arduino Lab for MicroPython IDE. Select the version matching your computer's operating system. After decompressing the downloaded package, open the folder and find Arduino Lab for MicroPython.exe, Windows version. Launch the Arduino Lab for MicroPython software. On first launch, you will be prompted to set a folder for storing files. Choose a directory as needed. The IDE setup is now complete. Open the T-Lora pager user documentation and click on Tutorial. The tutorial document you navigate to explains how to flash the MicroPython firmware onto the device. Download the MicroPython firmware file to your local computer. You will also need a flashing tool to install the firmware on the device. Put the device into download mode first. Hold down the boot button and press the RST button simultaneously. Access the ESP Launchpad tool via click Connect and select the device's corresponding serial port. Click DIY, set the flash address to 00, and select the downloaded MicroPython firmware file. This will enable the device to run MicroPython code. Visit the repository and click Code to download the code examples to your local computer. Decompress the downloaded package and locate the example folder. Here are some usable code examples. Open the Arduino IDE. This is a test sketch. Before using the code, make sure to connect your device. Connect the IDE to the T-Lora pager device first. Once connected, the serial port will print firmware information. Click Run to execute the code on the current page. The test code has run successfully. Next, please use the code examples we provided to proceed with further testing. Select the code examples of LVGL and copy the files to the IDE. Clicking Run allows you to see on the device's screen that the device has run successfully. However, this method only runs once, and the code example will not be saved after the power is cut off. To ensure consistent operation of the equipment, this code can be executed by first creating a new file named main.py and saving it to the device. Click Barad to save it to your device, then the code transplantation process will begin. Copy the code that just ran successfully into the main.py file. Click Save or hold down Ctrl+S to save. This will enable the device to continuously run the sample code you are using. Another way to drive the device is to use the Thonny tool. The documentation shows how to use this tool. First, click the link to enter the Thonny official website and download it. After selecting Windows, download the first option if you already have Python installed. Click the installer to proceed with the installation. The following steps can be customized according to your device requirements. Click the Thonny tool to open it. After clicking Run, find Configure Interpreter to proceed with settings. Select the MicroPython version corresponding to your device and choose the correct port for your device. If the command line terminal appears, it means the connection has been successfully established. Having the device print a Hello World message also executes successfully. Open the T-Lora pager example code, copy it into the Thonny tool for editing. Click the Run button to execute the sample code. To save to the device, click the Save button. Select MicroPython device and save the file as main.te. After the code is flashed successfully, the device's screen will light up.